the television and social media that highlight cases between teachers and students, or on the contrary. Before I continue, my name is Mariam and 6th class from SD Sturinda Elementary School. Along with the celebration of Teachers' Day, I invite my beloved friends. Let's regenerate our love and affection for our teachers. After all, because of them, we can be what we are today. Teachers, whatever they are, we apologize for all our mistakes and mistakes so far. Thank you for all the knowledge and love that has been given so far. Please continue to be a light for us. Keep moving forward, teachers. We always love you. For my teacher, my national hero. Thank you for teaching, guiding, and educating me in a good way with love. You are my hero and light in my dark. Teachers are like our parents after our real parents. Let me continue my speech again. For teacher, I love you, my dear teacher. I hope you always stay healthy and happy. My best prayers are for you. Please pray for your students to become successful people in the future.